Warm welcome to our worldwide English learning channel.
Law, a person has lost protection of law. Number second is forgery, falsification of documents. Three is exhibit, to make atonement for one's sins. Number fourth is vendetta, committing murder in revenge. Our fifth word is brutally. The thing can be easily broken. Our sixth word is entomologists, expert who scientifically study insects. Our next word is hypocrite, one who pretends to be what he is not. Next word is manuscript, a paper story poem was written out by hand. Our next word is mint, a place where money is coined. Our next word is respiration, the process by means of which plants and animals breathe. Our next word is cynic, one who sneers at the aims and beliefs of his fellow men. Our next word is patrimony, property inherited from one's father or ancestors. Our next word is effeminate, a person who is womanish in his habits. Our next word is proselyte, one who is converted from one religion to another. Our next word is boutique, a small shop that sells fashionable clothes and cosmetics. Our next word is interlude, interval between two events. Our next word is idiosyncrasy, a person peculiar habit. Our next word is procrastination, the art of delaying. Our next word is ophthalmologist, a doctor who specializes in the disease of eyes. Our next word is glutton, a person who eats too much. Our second last word is isthmus, a narrow stretch of land connecting two large bodies of land. Predatory, a animal which lives by preying on other animals. Our second last word is oligarchy, government of ruled by a small group of people. Our last word is palpable, things that can be felt or touched.
More than thanks for watching. We shall meet soon with new useful lesson.